Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time for me to refresh my mini twist. I've had these in for about a week. First, I'm going to spray them with a little water and aloe vera juice, just hitting the scalp. My scalp has been a little dry, and aloe vera juice always gets my scalp right. And then applying a little bit of coconut oil throughout my hair. I really should have removed my jewelry, but that's okay. I will be replacing my hair accessories or jewelry with silver ones at the end of the video. Please let me leave me some comments down below on what are your favorite hair accessories you like to wear when you're wearing twists or braids. Definitely love accessorizing styles like this. Putting my hair in 4 sections. I'm going to start to refresh. Using my qredew, I've had this for years since I became natural. This is a hair steamer, so this is great to just refresh your hair, deep condition. I really recommend it, but you can also use a spray bottle and warm water if you do not own this. And the steam just really feels good on the hair and the twists and the scalp. So taking one twist at a time, I'm unraveling in it. Then I'm going to apply some African Pride Moisture Miracle Curling Cream. Really love this. Cannot say that enough. And I'm especially hit the ends of my hair with this cream as well. And making sure I'm just applying a little bit, and then I will be starting to retwist. So that's one section down. I got 3 more to go. So this took me about 30 minutes to do. Look at that. And I did this while I was watching Netflix. So it's going to be the same process for all the sections. I will let you guys enjoy the music, and then I'll come back at the end and show you the final results. I'm all done with my twists. Next, I'll be applying my hair jewelry. The jewelry is, these are from the beauty supply store, and these are the silver ones, just like the gold ones I took off. And this is the final look, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.